These fireplaces are made in China for JNR Home Products Limited, and they are sold through retailers such as Walmart and the Home Depot throughout North America as well as on Amazon, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The Smart Premium models can be recessed into the wall or hung on the wall, and they are available in 3 sizes from 42 to 60 inches, and they can be controlled through the Smart Life app as well as with the included remote. They have over 1,500 color combinations for the flames and media as well as 2 heat settings, but the remote control does not sense the room temperature for controlling the heat. The Kennedy 2 models feature an ultra-thin frame and they can be controlled with voice commands. They are available in either black or gray colors, but they are a little more expensive than the Smart Premium models. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.